Hey, Heather Denaro here with Beachy Beach Real Estate, and I'm here with Jennifer Bowman, and she's going to tell us all about a new subdivision called College Station and the builder with Camben Homes. Take it away.
Camben Homes is really a unique builder in Bay County. They focus on using local products and local subs to get our stuff built. From custom cabinets, quartz countertops, backsplash. We have a designer that comes in that does all of the extra touches with the lighting and the colors.
No detail left unturned.
There is not. It is a wonderful home, high efficiency energy homes with extra insulation, fiberglass windows, fiberglass doors.
And not to mention just the overall design that's built into the price point, right?
It is. It is built into the price point, so when you come into our models, it is not an upgrade. Everything is already upgraded.
That's perfect. And Camben has been here for over 20 years?
It is. It is a combination between two different builders who have been building in the community for more than 20 years, and we just decided to join forces and create one company.
That's awesome. So check it out, College Station with Camben Homes.